and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new here, may I invite you to subscribe, to like, and to share this video. So I found these. They grow on the bunch where the coconuts bear, and it reminded me of a flower. And so I am going to try to color these and to see how best I can turn them into something decorative. So I have my spray paints and I have some poster paints that I am going to be using. I think I'll use them both and then see what the results look like. First, I am going to use some yellow in the center of this. For this arrangement, I'm using some sand in my vase, and I'm using the globe thistle in addition to the coconut flower and some of these that I had before. I am using the sand because that will help them to stay in place wherever